among the individuals who had that doubt and who always ask themselves how creators get their next videos and how do they prepare them? In fact, I was among the few people who used to think, how do I get my next video? How do I, when I finish one, I find myself struggling to get the next one. Join me as I challenge myself in a 10 minutes video to brainstorm with you the methods or the ways, the few ways, should we call them like 5, 3, 10 ways of a creator, how can get the next video that is going to be uploaded. I'm going to be using our niche, making money online, as one of the tip of how you can look for your next video to be uploaded. When we are talking like this, most creators always have that problem, and especially it's not about only the upcoming creators, even the old creators. That is a hassle for always a creator to sit down and say, what about my next video? Is this video not working well? How can I make my video to work better? So I'm going to be presenting to you 5 tips or 5 ways of how to get your next video, or how you can get your next video idea. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christy, your lady, the lady that avoid and to really fight poverty. And I fight poverty by using the online space and the smartphone. I know the person who is out there, it is not about telling you, but it's about giving you a net such that you can throw and get enough fishes. So today I'm going to be discussing with you how I always get my next video ideas. And really, I know it is a challenge for most creators, or especially the upcoming ones. Some people always ask that you can go blank, especially when you are in this field of making money online. You will ask yourself, Christine, do you always test all these methods? Some of times we don't test all the methods that we bring here, but if they are gotten from right sources, we know that they are real. And 70% to 90% of them, we do test this method, especially on content creation, passive income, making money online, and growing our audience. Can we dive in and we see the first tip of how you can get the next idea? This is especially to the beginners. Please be patient. This is one of the best videos that you should never miss. But before that, I would love to congratulate and even to say thank you to every royal viewer, the royal subscribers, people who just came in and tuned into Immaculate Show. You are so much welcome and we love you so much. So on Immaculate Show, we fight poverty. And how do we fight poverty? We start from the gadgets that we have around us. We use the things that we have. That's why we have that. Be productive, whether you are employed or you're not employed. You can be productive provided you have a smartphone. The first way to get your idea of the next video is by using YouTube homepage. You can use also Facebook homepage, but right now I'm going to be selecting more. I'm going to be talking more on YouTube. So for you to get to get your next idea, the first method that I use is the homepage. Homepage is that one that is more popular. The moment you open your YouTube like this, what are the videos that always come to you? What are they? So it depends on your niche, and it depends on the things you always watch. I'm very sure that in every niche that you're doing, your aim is to make money. And for example, as Immaculate Show, who are into making money online, of course, they should never lie that we don't watch other people's videos. We get ideas from here and there, and we combine them. We test apps. We test. This is not our original idea. No one has original idea, but we bring it and make sure that as our audience should have access to it. So if we are talking about the homepage, when you're watching something, like for example, as we are watching Making Money Online, how to deal with passive income, content creation, how to increase your earnings on YouTube, on social media, on apps and other things. The moment you start watching, especially on YouTube, even on other platforms, so the moment you open your YouTube, before you go to your account, before you go to your channel, the YouTube always brings some videos because they know you are interested in that. So when they know you're interested in that, they always bring them. So I always look at them and select. Not all of them you're going to take them. Like for example, let me tell you what I adopted. when I used to open like this video of Vibe with Sonia, it used to come so much, how much I earned in this and this and that. I used not to mind about it. By the way, if you see before, I used not to make those videos from there. Me, I was only concentrated on how to teach people on how to earn money, but I'd not known that also me, I need to earn money. So when I dived in, and one time I was watching it, I'm like, oh, this one can also work for me, because people are looking for how to make money. So I went and looked at it. It came on like the way you can see on our screen. Homepage always comes like this. The moment they come like this, you select and see. You can even put them in the favorites and keep them. Then later you research about them. You see what are they worth for you, or are they worth, do they earn add something for you. And on top of that, how are they working? So those videos were trending, by the way, everywhere. So I adopted doing them. And when I adopted doing them, one of the things that it encouraged and also it helped me, one, it brings in more viewers to, because most people are there, they want to know. Most people have misconception, most people have myth and have different thinkings about earning money on YouTube. Like they think before you reach 1,000 views, you cannot earn. People didn't know before that you can earn even with as low as 5 views. They didn't know that the earning on YouTube is not in correlation with the views. That's what they thought. They thought for you, if you have many views, it means you have much money. So I came to learn that, and it was a yardstick. I gave you this as an example, but there are many things. Like, for example, if you're into travel, tours and travel, you will see it is coming. So use that one. That is one point number one of how to look for your next video, especially if you're a content creator. The second thing is it is about trending videos. Trending videos, how do you know that they are trending videos? As a creator, you are always there to see exactly what is happening in the world, what is happening in the space. When I say in the world, especially in the space on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, and everywhere. And when something is trending, the algorithm, they always push it so much. So the next video, you jump on it and put it. But the disclaimer, you people, or the advice, you always, not everything that is trending you have to go for it. So I always go for something that is in my niche, I mean in my line of what I'm talking about when it is trending. I give you an example of something that is trending on YouTube. It is about how the 5 best ways to make money in 2024. This is something that has been trending. So whenever you make a video about it, it's a sure deal. It is going to move very fast. Then the third one that asks, how do I get my next videos? I sit down sometimes, like you are there, like today I'm there. I didn't have any idea. Maybe I'm from my weekend. You're doing a lot of things, you have your family, you're relaxing, so you find you've not done enough research or had enough quiet time to think about your next topic. But then you know that you know your niche is to make money online. If it is to make money online with your smartphone, with your gadgets, with the websites and what, it is very easy. What I do, I go to my VIDQ. When I go to the VIDQ, I look there, I see the ideas they are giving there. Me, a VIDQ is one of the tools that I'm using to optimize my videos as far as key searchable words is concerned, the thumbnail, and at the same time, my titles. So what I do, I go there and check. I go to ideas. When I go to ideas, the ideas they'll give me, I pick one of the idea that is in relation with my niche, and I expand on it. I do the transcript, I do it. Then the fourth one on how I get my videos is through my audience. That is question and answer. Some of them I don't. Whenever they ask question, that question is a video on its own. I don't always answer from down on the comment section. I can say check in the next video. I go and do the research about it, or from the questions. I'd answer as long as it is in relation with my niche. That is very important. First of all, it brings a bond between you and your audience, and at the same time, it brings also it gives you a broader knowledge of what people are looking for. Then another last way of looking for your next video, it is natural. You guys, let me tell you the truth. You can go to I always get my topics when I'm in the bathroom. The moment I shower like this, I pour water on myself. ideas start coming. But fortunately, those ideas, so it is very natural in a sense that it is already in you, because the spirit in you knows exactly what you fight against. And when it knows what you fight against or what you love, it always brings the topics. So, like for example, when, like I told you, I always get my it sounds funny, but it's true. I always get my topics when I'm in the bathroom. The moment I put a shower, ideas roll. So whenever these ideas roll, I run, I put them on the paper, and when they roll, I put them in relation to making money online. Like for example, this one, I you just channel it. How to get how to get your next video idea on making money online. I channel and I put it. So it can be in your niche, on maybe you're a cook, it can be you're a lifestyle person, or you are in any field that you're in. These methods are very important. Now, the most important one, there is someone who is there who says, okay, sometimes you go blank, you have nothing, you don't have VIDQ and other things. What you do, but you have a niche. This one is like a subset of what I just told you. You have a niche. I go direct, go to my chat GPT, write, give me the topics trending. Now I've asked, I didn't know that they were trending, but I go to chat GPT and say, please give me 10 topics trending with the key searchable words. And the moment it brings the topics trending on making money online, I'm telling you, you find you get like 10 out of them. So 10 out of them, you are not going to make them direct. Of course, you're going to give a priority to the ones that will catch your eye, and even the one that might be easier for you to do. But out of those 10, you can rank them and you can research about them and find yourself you have videos of 1 week. So guys, making money online is our goal, whether you're in any field of content creation. But as you're doing content creation, get to know that it's not just getting a chewing gum and you chew it. It's something that you go for it. It's something that you have to have a schedule for. It's something that you have to have time for. And it's something that you have to budget for. When I talk about budget, it's not only about money, but mostly the time you invest in. It cannot go in vain. So making money online makes us have a generational income. Making money online makes us brighten our days and makes us stay focused and not be idle. So these methods can help someone out there. If you know you have been you have been contemplating on how to make money online or how to do your content, please go ahead and use these six. There are five methods or tips of how to get your content, because I know most of us will reach a time and say, I've failed. There's a friend of mine who said she is into a relationship with Nigerian men. She's a Nigeria from Igbo land, but she reached the time and said, Christine, I'm blank. The topics are finished. No, topics can never be finished. It's you, because the goal is making money, even if you're to repeat it, but you can bring it in another way. So see you there, you people. If you know this video is helping you, or if you know this channel is helping you, please put it in the comment section. And also you can go ahead and share this video to your friends, to your relations. Don't forget to tell us what you want us to bring in the next video, as our goal is to bring for you what can make you make money when you are seated at the comfort of your home. This has been Christine. Thank you. See you in another video.